How can you combine these words with these words? For my students, it's often a big mystery. I'm here to make things clear. I'm John, and today we're going to study phrasal verb secrets. To brush off. Emily and Mark are siblings. They're at a family dinner together. Mark, I've noticed you've been coughing a lot lately. Have you seen a doctor? Oh, it's just a cold. Nothing serious. I don't know. It's been going on for weeks. Maybe you should get it checked out. I'm sure it's fine, Emily. Thanks for worrying, but I think it's just allergies. Mark, you can't just brush off your health like this. It might be something more serious. Promise me you'll see a doctor. All right, maybe you're right. I'll make an appointment tomorrow. Quiz time! What does to brush off mean? To see something as unimportant? To paint with a brush? To ignore your health? To see a doctor? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's A. To see something as unimportant. Phrasal verb secrets. Brush off often means to ignore or dismiss a concern or issue as unimportant. The idea behind this verb is that there's pressure or something bothering you that's on your shoulders. When you brush it off of your shoulders, it becomes unimportant. Examples. Despite his efforts to get her attention, she just brushed him off and continued talking to her friends. She brushed off her doctor's advice and later regretted it. When I asked for help, my colleague brushed me off, saying she was too busy with her own work. The teacher brushed off the student's question, claiming it wasn't relevant to the topic. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. I've noticed. I've seen. I've realized. It's just a cold. It's not a serious illness. You should get it checked out. You should see a doctor. M. Emily. Thanks for watching. If you have a question or if you learned something useful, use the super thanks. You can support free English content. Please like, share, and subscribe. And see you in the next lesson.